have in front of me a ladder standoff. It's available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. This is a great safety feature for anybody who's working on ladders, particularly anybody who's working on them on an ongoing basis, but even for short-term use. It's probably well worth investing in this. This is actually designed and manufactured by a company here in County Laois called Stradbally Ladders, so it has all the approvals, things of this, and this is probably the top-selling ladder product that we've had over the last 10 or 20 years that we've been selling ladders online. So we'll just come along here. I have this one partly assembled, simply so you can see how it goes together. So I'll just tell you first of all, the purpose of this is when you want to go up on a roof, what will generally happen if you're going up in a single or two-story house, houses will be surrounded by gutters. So it could be metal gutters that you don't want to lean on and damage, particularly if they're old ones, and plastic soffits, something like that, you don't be leaning up against them. So what you want to do is you want to securely stand off your ladder, but securely so against the wall. So what you're trying to do is spread the weight onto either the roof itself or the wall. And then it allows you to ascend and descend, maybe going directly from here onto a roof ladder, which you could be doing as well. So let's just come along here and just look at the assembly. So if we look at this mechanism here, we have holes in the top, no holes in the bottom. So I'm just going to come along, I'm going to slide this through, slides through like here, and I'm just going to try to match it up so it's the same as the far side here, and there's some holes here, and this is the pin we want to use. We push it directly through, and there's a locking mechanism there, and that means that you can't really pull out because you have, this is both stopping you losing it, but also if you pull it up, it slots directly back down, and once you actually have it leaned up against the thing, it's actually locked in position down. So to slide your ladder up and down smoothly, because just say you had a 3 or 4 part, or a 2 or 3 part ladder, you could be lifting it up, and it'll roll up along the wall here using these wheels here. I'm just going to spin these so you can see them. So this wheel here itself is 8 centimeters, okay? The overall width here is 68 centimeters, and depending on the adjustment here, this will be projecting out between 39 and 68 centimeters, okay? So how does it fit on your ladder? Well, this actually fits over the rungs. So this will fit on one rung of the ladder, this will fit on the other one. So you slide it in, lock it down, and then to make sure it stays in position, you actually have this spring-loaded locking mechanism here. So that'll just come along there. I'll just push it to the front so you can see it better. And it's designed to go over the step thing as well, so you have a good tight mechanism on it. So you have this on your ladder, you slide it up, and then the 2 typical ways of using it, normally against the wall, but you might need to actually go directly onto the roof and onto the thing, and then it'll spread the weight quite neatly on it. So overall, we'll say, I just like this product because it's neat, it's clever, it's not overly complicated, and you can just use them for years and years and years, and it's lightweight as well, aluminium, so it's just not going to rust or wear or anything like that. So that's it anyway, an overview of the ladder standoff, or microlight as it's often called, available directly from freetv.ie.